guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to make a tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using. Ankara fabric, this is lining, a strong interfacing using zipper, paper and scissors. If you are just joining us, please subscribe, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Let's jump into this tutorial. The measurement we are using for this bag will be 18 inches by 12 inches. So this is my Ankara fabric, and I've already ironed a strong interfacing on it. So the next thing to do is to fold this into two equal parts so we can get the midpoint. Okay, so you open it back. So now we have the midpoint. Now this is a lining. I've already ironed interfacing on it. I am supposed to be using bridal satin, a red bridal satin for this, but I've exhausted the bridal satin I have at home, so I'm using lining for substitute. I've already ironed a soft interfacing on it, and measurement for this lining is, for this circle, is 8 inches. So you're going to back facing back, then you go to your machine and you are going to stitch it round. After stitching round, we are going to notch the edges before we turn inside out. So after notching the edges, just fold it to two equal parts, like I am doing. So you have the mid part. We are going to cut this off. Cut it into two. When that is done, now turn it inside out. After turning inside out, fold it again so that you get the midpoint. Mark the midpoint. Going to fold this other part. Mark the midpoint too. So remember this midpoint here when I folded this into two. So this point now is where we are going to fix this. So midpoint to midpoint. We're going to stitch on it, or stitch on it. This one to the same way. We're going to midpoint to midpoint. We're going to also stitch on it. We have stitched. This is what it looks like. Now we are going to fix the handle for this bag. From this edge, measure 3 inches. From this other edge, measure 3 inches. Then from this point, 2.5 inches. .5 inches. This is where we'll be fixing the handle of this bag, and this is the handle of the bag we'll be using. This is my bridal satin. I'd already ironed interfacing inside. If you want to know how I made this handle, you have to watch one of my video. It's called Doom Bag. I'll put the link in the description below. I showed how I made this particular handle in that video. So this is what we'll be using for this bag. So you just fold this edge a bit and you're going to place it on that place that I just marked. So you're going to sew, you're going to stitch square like that. You're going to stitch, and you're also going to do the same thing for this other handle. I'm done stitching the handle of the bag. You can see how the bag is looking. So now the next thing to do is to attach our lining. This lining is also the same measurements with this Ankara fabric, 18 inches by 12 inches. We are going to fix our zipper here. Place your zip this way, you can see. Then take your fabric, turn it and place it. We are going to stitch from this end to this end. So guys, we have stitched. Now you open it up. You go back to your sewing machine and you're going to top stitch. Top stitch. Now you're going to bring this other part of the bag and this zip part, and you're going to take the lining from under this way. So you're going to stitch them together. I'm done stitching. That's what it looks like. So you're going to open the zip in between the bag, so you can turn inside out. After turning your bag, you are going to go back to your sewing machine and you are going to also top stitch on this part of your zip. I have also top stitched on the bag. So the next thing to do is to cut this down part. So you are going to measure 1.5. I'm also going to do the same measurement here. 1.5. 1.5. I'm going to cut this off. After that is done, and now turn your palm to the other side. You're going to stitch straight down and you stitch straight down. I am done stitching the side of the bag. The next thing to do is to stitch this bottom part. First widen it, stitch, stitch. I'm done stitching the down part of the bag. And the next thing to do is cut off our excess zippers. You can use your bias tape to tape the outside of the bag if you want. And we are basically done with this bag. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Drop your opinion about this bag in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.